How to play mobile games on PC without any emulator with Google Play Games Beta. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can actually play mobile games or Android games on your PC with Google Play Games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Google has released a new feature known as Google Play Games, which is a beta version of application that you can use to download on your PC. Slowly by slowly we will also get the stable version. So far you can see the beta version, right? So you have to make sure to download this Google Play Games beta, and then I'll make sure to drop a direct link below. Click that download beta option. In my case I've already downloaded it. Now you can just go ahead and open that application after you install it. So go ahead and then also make sure to open up Google Play Games beta over here. So as you can see, the application has successfully opened up like this. Now by the way, by default you're not going to get all the games available because Google is going to make them compatible one after another. So far you can see some of the ones available, such as Asphalt, you have Shark Revolution, Chess, Mobile Legends, and many of the other games are also available so far. So you can just go ahead and select a specific game that you would like to download, click the install button, and then begin playing the game right over here. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then download your Android games on PC. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.